Okay, so this is a question you should try before you watch the solution, and I'll give you a summary of population growth and comparisons. So part A, write down the populations in 1 and 2 years' time. So I'm going to analyse country A here and country B here. Country A has 3 million, so I'm going to have 3 times 10 to the 6. Country B has 2 million, 2 times 10 to the 6. Country A is growing at 200,000, so it's going to be plus 200,000. And then plus 200,000. That's giving you a clue that's probably arithmetic. And this is growing at 12% per year. So this is compound growth. Not compound interest, it's not an investment, so it's just times by 1.12 times by 1.12. Okay. So basically I think for part A we can write down the country values for A, 3,200,000 and 3,400,000. A is in 1 year's time for country B, it's 2 million times 1.12, and then 2 million times 1.12 squared. So that's definitely where I'd switch to the calculator. So I can do 2, and I can do times 10 to the power of 6, that little button there next to the 1, and then you use the right arrow to bring it down again, times by 1.12. That gives me 2,240,000. So 2,240,000. And then I'm going to leave the answer on screen times by 1.12 again. And that gives me 2,580,800. Okay, so I'm just going to write that down. 2,508,000. Oh, I think I missed a 0 there. 508,800. So that's the first two. That's the first part A. And B, write a formula for population in n years. Okay, so I'm going to try and do that now. Get another page on. Okay, so the part A, we've got U of 1 is 3 million. D is a common difference, and the common difference is 200,000. Let me just put capital A. In country B, we've got U1 is 2 million, and R, the multiplier, is 1.12. Okay. Let's just write down the formulas for the nth term. U of n equals U1 plus n minus 1d, and U of n equals U1 into R to the n minus 1, and let's just put those down there. So U of n, the size of the population, is U1, 3 times 10 to the 6, plus n minus 1 into 200,000. And here U of n equals U of 1, 2 times 10 to the 6, into R, 1.12 to the n minus 1. Okay, and that is both equations. And now the last part is, when will country A surpass B? Well, I think the question's been written incorrectly. Can you see that? This country A is already greater than country B. Can you see that the question needs to be changed? The question needs to be, when will country B surpass country A? So can you see that? Because country A is growing up by a fixed amount and country B is growing up exponentially by 12%, you can see country B will catch up at a country A. So let's just change that question, let's answer it. So we want to know, when will this 2 times 10 to the 6 times by 1.12 to the n minus 1, when will this guy become greater than the population of country A? Okay, so this is looking at an inequality. We've got variables on both sides, so the best thing to do would be to draw a graph for this. Okay, so let's just try and draw a graph and get our heads around what's going on. So let's go to document, document, insert, graph. Okay, I think my laptop's overheating, things are slowing down. And let's type in 2 times 10 to the 6, right arrow, times by 1.12 to the exponent. That'll be Okay, things are really slowing down now. Okay, let's try it again. Times by 1.12, and that's to the power of x minus 1. Okay, that looks alright, and let's press enter. We're not going to see much yet because, as you know, the graph is actually very, very high. It's in the millions, so we'll have to think about how to solve that. Double tap, and let's get the next equation in. Next equation is 3 times 10 to the 6. Okay, it's slowing down now, but that's alright. Let's see if we can get through this one. And that'll be plus, open bracket. Okay, bear with me on this. It really doesn't want to respond. Okay. Plus, oh dear, it's not good. Really not responding at all now. Plus, okay, let's hopefully it does something. X minus 1, close bracket, and that is into times 200,000. Okay, we've managed to get it in. Low battery as well, everything's going on for this video. Let's keep going. Okay, so Control T, table of values, just to see what's going on. And we could even use this table of values just to see that. Can you see the 2 million versus 3 million? And then as we keep going up, so the X is the number of years. Here we've got 8,722, 5,600. So we've already crossed over round about here. Okay, so 7 years, we're just under 4 million, just over 4 million, and then 8 years. So it's between 7 and 8, and that's it. You can actually just write those numbers down. After how many years? Well, at 7 years, you could write down the population is 3,947,645, and 4,200,000. And then in year 8, you've got 4,421,362.8. versus 4,400,000. So you can see it's year 8 that the population of one takes over the population of the other. Okay, so I think that's the best way of maybe solving those particular questions. Took a while for me to type it into the graphing package, but it gets there if your calculator's not overheating like mine. Hope that helps.